In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly organize your data by sorting dates in a spreadsheet. Whether you need to arrange your dates from the earliest to the latest, or vice versa, these simple steps will have your spreadsheet sorted in no time. First things first, let's start by selecting the cells containing your dates. It's important to ensure that all the dates you want to sort are highlighted. This could be a single column, part of a larger data set, or even an entire spreadsheet, depending on your needs. Double-check that you've included all the relevant cells to prevent any accidental omissions. If you're working with a large spreadsheet, you might find it helpful to freeze the top row so you can keep track of your headers while scrolling through your data. Next, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Data. This is where things start to get interesting. The Data tab is essentially your gateway to a variety of data manipulation tools, and it's going to be our main focus today. It opens up a multitude of options for sorting and filtering, which are pivotal in managing and analyzing any kind of information housed within your spreadsheet. Once you're in the Data tab, you'll notice several choices, but we're interested in the sorting functions today. For most of us dealing with date-related data, there are two primary methods to consider. You can either sort your dates from oldest to newest, or from newest to oldest. This is determined by the type of analysis or presentation you require. If you're leaning towards seeing your oldest dates first, you should choose the Sort Sheet by Column A to Z option. This command will automatically arrange your data starting with the earliest date, progressing toward the latest. This format is incredibly useful for historical timelines, project plans, or any chronological dataset where understanding the sequence of events is key. Conversely, if your goal is to prioritize the most recent dates, then selecting Sort Sheet by Column A, Z to A is the way to go. This reverses the order, placing the newest dates at the top, and is particularly helpful when working with future deadlines or recent transactions, ensuring that newer entries are immediately visible and accessible. Whichever sorting option you choose, it's important to verify your list afterward to make sure the data has been organized as intended. Sorting can occasionally alter other aspects of your dataset, such as aligning rows with different categories. A quick scan will give you peace of mind that every detail is exactly where it should be. And there you have it. These straightforward steps will help you efficiently organize your spreadsheet dates, saving you valuable time and effort. Remember, having well-curated data is critical in extracting meaningful insights and making informed decisions. I hope this guide makes managing your data a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sorting!